Hello and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. If you're finding the text on TikTok too small or too large on your Android phone, this video will help you fix that easily. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing the text size in the TikTok app so it fits your viewing preference. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. From here, tap on Text Size. To continue, drag the slider from left to right to increase or decrease the text size. Once done, tap on Adjust. Finally, confirm your change by tapping Adjust again. And that's how you change the text size in TikTok on Android. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.